Hello everyone, once again welcome back in our video series of C programming by TechBooster. So guys, in this video we'll check out what is the implementation of programming language, or in short, why programming languages are important. So here you can check out programming languages are used to develop applications. And when I talk about applications, basically there are two different types of application. First one is your standalone application and the other is your web-based application. So we'll start with our standalone application. So standalone applications are the application or softwares which you need to install in your operating system before using it. For example, here in this case I have considered MS Office, Adobe Reader, KMP Player, and there are many more. If you want to use MS Word or MS Excel or PowerPoint, in that case first of all you need to install MS Office. Without installing MS Office, you won't be able to use either one of them. So here, the other important thing is these standalone applications are compatible for single operating system. Like if you want to install MS Office for Windows, in that case you need to install MS Office for Windows. MS Office for Mac won't be supported in your Windows operating system, and similarly, if you want to install MS Office for Windows in your Mac, in that case you will get a compatible error. So this is what we call our standalone applications. Now if we talk about our web-based application, basically these are the applications which you can directly use without installing it, just by having proper internet connection and by using your web browser. Like here in this case, if I give you a few examples, we have our Gmail, Facebook, WhatsApp, and many more. Like if you want to use Facebook, it's not compulsory that you need to install it. If you want to use Gmail, you need not install it. You can directly use it by using your web browsers. And the other important thing here is these applications are independent of operating system. You can use Facebook either in your Mac, either in your Linux or your Windows without installing it. So guys, now I hope you are clear with what is standalone application and what is your web-based application. So now let's move forward and check out what we have next. Next, what we have is our file extensions. This is again another very important topic. So here let me give you another example. Here you can check out I've considered a file which I have named as file.txt. This is a text file, and if you want to open this text file by using your VLC player, here VLC player is mainly used to play your videos. Like if you want to open your text file, that is your file.txt, using VLC player, you won't be able to open it. Similarly, if I consider another video file which I have named as video.mp4, and if you want to open this particular file using your notepad, you won't be able to open it, because all our applications are meant for specific reason and they support specific extensions only. Like here in this case, your text file can be opened by notepad and your video file can be opened by VLC player. Similarly, if I talk about our operating systems do support certain extensions only. Like here in this case, if I talk about our Windows support .exe file, Mac support .dmg file, Linux support either .rmp file or .tar file. So in the similar way, like in our previous slide I have shown you, particular standalone applications can be used for particular operating systems only, depending on our extension. So if I talk about your MS Office for Windows, in that case your file should be of extension .exe. If you are using MS Office for Mac, in that case your extension should be .dmg. Now let's move forward and check out of our programming languages and know little more about our programming languages. So here in this case I have considered few of our programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, .NET, Android. So in case of C and C++, these two languages are platform dependent languages, and here platform means your operating system. And the most important thing here is this C and C++ programming language can only be used to develop your standalone applications. That is, your platform dependent languages can be used to develop only standalone applications. You cannot develop your web based application using C or C++. Whereas if you consider my other programming languages like your Python, Java, .NET, Android and others, they are platform independent languages, and these languages can be used to develop either your standalone applications or your web based application. They can be used for either purpose. Now you might have a question, then why to use C or why to learn C or C++? They have certain advantages. Like C is very important or very useful in your embedded system. At present time, if you want to use any of your hardwares and if you want to install or if you want to upload any of your programs there, considering any of your electronic items, any of your mechanical items, in that case those languages are mostly written in C. If I talk about your gaming softwares, most of them are written in C++. So each and every language have certain advantages. So you need to choose your language according to your requirement or according to your need. But C is very helpful in order to build your logic. So guys, now I hope your file extension is clear and now you are clear with your types of applications. In my next video, I'll show you how to develop a software using any of these languages. As of now, I'm winding this video here. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye and take care.